Hi everyone, today I'm going to review this DAISO rice dough clay. It has 2 tubes and it's made from rice flour, salt and water. It is safe to play with but may cause allergic reactions in some people. I bought this pack from Taiwan around $2. It is said knit well, store it in container after use, so I bet this is an air dry clay. I guess this is good for developing kids' creativity. So let's unbox this. Each container contains 35 grams of white clay, so 70 grams in total of this bag. So let's take a look of this clay. Let's take a bit of clay. The feels kinda similar to cold porcelain clay or like DAISO polymer clay that I did review before. But this one is much more kneadable. Look at this consistency, it's quite nice, and I like this clay can be so very thin. I think it would be great for making flower petals, and of course it's not sticky to hands. Let's take a little bit of clay, divide it into 3 parts. Let's do the coloring using acrylic paint and soft pastel. I use this yellow ochre color. Put a little bit paint. Oh my god, I guess it's too much, a bit. Coloring clay using acrylic paint would be so messy, so you better use gloves. The color looks so nice and vibrant. Next, we're gonna color it with soft pastel. Color is too soft, so I'm gonna add a bit more. Add a bit more so the color would be rich like the acrylic paint one. Oh no, look at this. Can you see some spots here? It's because I add too much soft pastel, so it will become like this. Next, we're gonna cut this into heart shape using X-Acto knife. As you can see, this clay can be cut easily. Next, I'm gonna flatten this clay. It doesn't even stick to the roller. This clay quite flexible. Next, I'm gonna test this clay using cookie cutter. Also doesn't stick to the plunger. It creates beautifully heart shape. Now last, I'm gonna use this particle mold. Wow, it doesn't even stick to the mold. I don't need to put baby oil on it, and yet it holds the shape very well. So I'm gonna let it sit for 1 day. Okay, it's been 1 day already. Now we're gonna check this first, and it's quite already hard, but somehow it's not fully dry yet. As you can see, this one is a bit translucent and the color is a bit darker. When the surface dries, it can be ripped off like this, like cracking or crumbly. I did my research how to dry rice dough clay quickly. Some people say have to bake it in the oven, but I choose to try it with hot air gun. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. I heat this for around 5 minutes each. Okay, now I'm done. Let's check one by one. So I'm going to poke this with toothpick if it can be poked, so it hasn't fully dried yet. Okay, this is hard already. It's already dry, I think. Yeah, this one also. So I guess this is already quite 90% dry. So let's check the others. Okay, this one already hard, and also this one. Let's check this thin piece. It can be ripped off easily. So if you want a sturdy shape, you should coat your creation using varnish to protect against cracking or crumbling. Next, I'm going to test if it's water resistant or not. Now I'm gonna spray this water. I'm going to knead it first. It feels a bit moist, a bit stickier to hands, so it's not water resistant. You better cover it using varnish so it won't absorb the water. So, additional information from me. This is actually air dry clay. You can dry it for 2 until 7 days. Or for the quick way, you can bake it in the oven or just using hot air gun. And I don't recommend this to make accessories to sell because it's not durable. Look at this clay ingredients. It's really safe to play with. Last but not least, I want to say Happy New Year to all of you. Best wishes for you guys, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.